How to set iCloud calendar to receive event invitations via email or push notifications on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the CO button. Then we scroll down and tap on iCloud Calendar. In here, tap on Send and Received. Next, we go down to the Receiving section, and then for each of the email account, tap on it. And in here, you can choose to use notifications or email. So continue to do that for other accounts as well. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key, or you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.